This is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So firstly, you will need to find and launch the Google Drive app that comes pre-installed with the system, so you will not have to additionally download or install any third-party external apps. For some reason, the Google decided to give me a verification, even though this account was already deleted from the system, or so I think. Yep, it is no longer here. So that's props to you. Okay, anyway, this problem was resolved. So in the Google Drive app, you gotta tap at the plus icon over here, choose the scan option, grant Drive the camera permission, and take a photo of the document that you wanted to make a scan out of. Here's mine. So let me quickly capture a photo. So shoot a picture. If you're satisfied with the result, you can proceed. If not, just retake the photo. In here, let me quickly change my interface layout to the landscape mode. So at the interface that follows, you can change the scan color scheme, you can rotate it, or crop the original photo to your liking. Then, once you're ready to save it, you can just go ahead and hit the save button. In here, you can rename it if you want to, change the Google or change the drive location that this file will be saved to, then hit the save button one more time and wait for the document to be uploaded to your Google Drive. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.